The Chinese creation myth, Pangu and the birth of the universe. In the beginning, there was nothing. No earth, no sky, no sun or moon. Only a vast, infinite void known as Hun Tun, an endless chaos where no shape, light, or life existed. But within this chaos lay the seeds of creation, swirling together in a cosmic egg where the forces of Yin and Yang, darkness and light, cold and heat, stillness and motion, coexisted in delicate balance. For countless ages, the cosmos remained in this primal state, until, deep within the egg, a great being took shape. His name was Pangu, the first living creature, born from the very essence of the universe. Pangu grew, nourished by the energies of chaos, until one day he awoke. When Pangu opened his eyes, he saw nothing but darkness, and realizing he was trapped within the cosmic egg, he took up his mighty axe and, with a single, powerful strike, split the egg in two. From this division, the light, pure elements, the Yang, rose to form the heavens, while the heavier, darker elements, the Yin, sank to form the earth. But Pangu saw that heaven and earth were still unstable, threatening to collapse back into chaos. And so, he stood between them, using his body as a pillar to keep them apart. Each day, Pangu grew taller, and the sky stretched higher, while the earth became thicker and stronger. For 18,000 years, Pangu stood between heaven and earth, his body expanding as the universe took shape. And when his task was finally complete, Pangu laid down to rest and passed away. Yet, even in death, he became the very foundation of the world. His breath became the wind and clouds. His voice thundered as the roar of the sky. His eyes became the sun and moon, casting light upon the earth. His body formed the mountains, valleys, and vast plains. His blood turned into the flowing rivers and oceans. His muscles became the fertile land, and his bones shaped the rocks and minerals. His hair transformed into the trees and forests, while his skin became the lush fields. His teeth formed the stones and precious gems, and from his marrow, iron and precious metals were born. His sweat became the rain, nourishing the earth, and from the parasites on his body, life sprang forth, giving birth to animals, plants, and all living creatures. Thus, the world was created, born from the sacrifice of Pangu. But creation was not static. From the balance of Yin and Yang, life emerged and continued to evolve. This balance shaped the natural order, governing the cycles of day and night, the seasons, and the harmony of existence. And while Pangu's sacrifice formed the physical world, Chinese mythology also speaks of the divine figures who shaped life and culture. Among them were Nuwa and Fuxi, the primordial deities who descended upon the earth. Nuwa, a goddess with the body of a serpent and the head of a woman, looked upon the empty world and saw its loneliness. Longing for companionship, she shaped figures from yellow clay, creating the first humans. These figures were crafted with care, and from them, the noble classes were born. But realizing that the task was long and arduous, she later dipped a rope into the mud and swung it, letting droplets fall to the ground. From these drops came the common people, and thus, all of humanity was born. But chaos was never far away. One day, the heavens cracked, and great floods ravaged the land. To save her creation, Nuwa gathered 5 colored stones and used them to patch the sky, restoring balance and protecting the world. She then cut off the legs of a giant turtle and used them as pillars to hold up the heavens, ensuring that the sky would never fall again. Her sacrifice secured the balance of the world, allowing life to flourish. The ancient Chinese saw the universe as a reflection of the constant dance of Yin and Yang, where harmony was not fixed but maintained through continuous balance. Light and darkness, creation and destruction, growth and decay, all were seen as necessary forces in the grand cycle of existence. Even human life was believed to be a reflection of this balance. Every moment, every action, and every breath was part of the great cosmic flow. To live in harmony with the universe was to understand this balance, to honor the cycles of nature, and to respect the forces that shaped life. And so, The Chinese creation myth is not just a story of beginnings, but a reflection of life's eternal balance. The idea that every end brings a new beginning, and that chaos and order are forever entwined. But it also raises timeless questions. Is creation always born from sacrifice? Is balance a constant struggle, or a natural harmony waiting to be discovered? And can the universe ever exist without the tension of opposites? What do you think? Is the universe shaped by sacrifice and balance, or is there a deeper force guiding creation? Join the discussion and continue the journey to explore the theory of everything.